as you can see, I've got a homemade water feature that I installed on my pool, but it's a little bit loud and it's mounted to the inside of the pool. Today we're going to be unboxing the Intex LED Waterfall, and it'll mount to the outside and I'll be able to leave it in while I'm vacuuming. Let's get with it. Let's go ahead and open us up a frosty cool beverage out here in this blazing hot sun. So having a water feature in your pool, let me go turn it off in fact, I know it's loud. As I was saying, having a water feature in your pool, especially down here in the south where it's so hot, it's always a good idea because any type of splash will lower your water temperature by a few degrees at least. But like I said, mine's mounted to the inside, and every time I want to run my vacuum, there we go. Every time I want to run my vacuum, I gotta disconnect it from the side of the pool and everything else. So let's look at what we got. We've got the Intex water fountain with LEDs. Now, this won't take any electricity. The LEDs on it are hydro. I don't know. They make their own electricity when the water flows through them. Hydro is something or other. Hydroelectric. That'd be the words I'm looking for. All right, let's see what we got. So we have the waterfall itself. That is simply going to screw onto the back of the pool. We should have a splitter valve so we can use a regular discharge or the waterfall simply by turning a valve and a little piece of hose to reach it. That's what we got. All right, let's go ahead and mount it up. All right, that's gonna mount in there just like that. Let me roll this one under. So what we're gonna do is we'll be replacing this valve with this directional valve. It seems to be locked. Oh, no, it's just tight. All right, so this is gonna attach to the pool. We've got an in and two outs. I'm gonna make a big mess anyway. So let's just go ahead and put this one on. All right. So now we can just take the hose off of the old valve. And put it on the new one. So in the up position, it will go straight out to the pool. And in the sideways position, looks like it gets the most flow That'll come to our little waterfall. Now this is all made by Intex, so all the fittings fit together. This seems like it grabs nicely to the side of the pool. We'll be saving this old guy. Now, let's see what we got. All right, we are coming out of the old one. And now we're coming out the new one. I'll go ahead and take my old one out. Now my fountain is quite a bit quieter than the one that I had made, but I would say it's a pleasant sound. My old one lost a piece when I turned it over. As you can see, that was extremely easy to install. Just one valve, one little piece of hose, clamped right on the side of the pool. And like I said just a few minutes ago, just splashing the water will help bring down the water temperature a couple of degrees, if anything, but it's better than nothing. So I'm gonna put a link to it down in the description below. It was right at $99 on Amazon. And we'll come revisit it here when the sun goes down. Yeah, I think it's gonna work out just fine. Guys, I hope you like the content. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And man, go check out that link in the description. This thing's really nice. It's got a really great sound to it. I can see the LEDs are working. No electricity needed. It's gonna be a really nice little water feature. Go check it out.